Tesla sandwiches, Tesla thefts, Tesla haters, and so much more are coming up in today's episode of
Wham! Bam! Teslacam! I hope you're satisfied!
Onimi was on his way to a medical appointment when he spotted a reckless driver weaving through traffic behind him. After cutting between vehicles at way over the speed limit, the other driver eventually lost control, spun out, and slammed into a concrete barrier before the car rolled 3 times. Onimi stopped to check on the driver. Incredibly, he wasn't critically hurt. Sean had left his 3-month-old Model X parked in a garage while grocery shopping when he got an unpleasant notification from his Tesla app. The rear passenger tire pressure was at 0 psi. When he reviewed his Sentry mode footage, it was easy to find out why. Someone had slashed the tire. Sean called Tesla Mobile Service and they arrived in an hour and a half with a spare tire so he could reach the nearest service center. After a quick repair, he was on his way home. Since his Model X came with tire, wheel, and glass protection plans, he only had to pay a $25 service charge, and the grocery store agreed to reimburse him for that. He's also reported the vandalism to the police department, and he plans to provide them with a copy of his Sentry mode footage for their investigation. Tomid was just entering a highway in Seattle when a box truck sideswiped his new Model 3, ripping the rear bumper cover halfway off and leaving scratches down the driver's side of the Tesla. First responders arrived at the scene before the 2 drivers exchanged information. The insurance companies found the truck driver responsible for causing the collision. Tomid is now waiting for repairs to his Model 3 to be completed. Thankfully, nobody was gravely wounded. Mike was headed home on his usual route of empty, winding roads when he noticed a Toyota driver doing his best to catch up with him. As he went into a turn, Mike noticed a wet patch on the road that is always there, so he slowed down to maintain control. Evidently, the Toyota driver was less familiar with this section of road. He didn't slow down, in fact, he accelerated, losing control and spinning into a guardrail on the other side of the road. Mike turned around to check on the driver, but by the time he'd returned to the scene, the Toyota driver had fled, likely humiliated by his driving failure. Hopefully, he wasn't viciously lacerated. Jason was educating his daughter Haley about why her car seat needed to be tight after she complained about being uncomfortable as he drove along in his Model Y. Suddenly, an SUV ahead of him spun out in the heavy rain before bouncing off a concrete barrier and smashing into another SUV in the neighboring lane. After witnessing the impact, Jason told us Haley didn't complain about her tight car seat anymore. Yuri was riding in his Model Y with full self-driving engaged near a casino in Yuma when a pickup blew past a stop sign. The pickup driver's recklessness nearly caused a high-speed T-bone collision, but FSD immediately reacted by slowing from 41 to 28 miles per hour in a fraction of a second. Meanwhile, the pickup driver continued to accelerate before hitting an embankment, launching into the air, then ricocheting back across the road and ending up in a ditch. After he'd turned around, Yuri told us his sister discovered that the driver of the pickup was heavily intoxicated. Casino security quickly responded to secure the scene. Ironically, Yuri had just passed a road sign asking motorists to report drunk drivers. Jay was taking his wife to Washington, D.C. and had just crossed the Arlington Memorial Bridge when a pickup he'd passed earlier suddenly sped up and tried to merge into his lane right next to him. Jay told us he continuously honked while maintaining his lane, unsure if there was any traffic on his right. The pickup driver didn't care, merging into Jay's lane and sideswiping his Model Y. He then kept on driving like nothing had happened, but when Jay spotted some law enforcement officers nearby, he flagged them down and got their attention. One officer noticed the visible damage and directed the pickup driver to pull over before facilitating the exchange of information between the drivers. Predictably, the pickup driver claimed he didn't realize an impact had occurred. After Jay sent his Teslacam footage to the other driver's insurance provider, they accepted responsibility. Thankfully, nobody was badly harmed. Kelly was driving her Model Y down an Arizona highway when traffic backed up in the exit lane for debris in the road. Several vehicles came safely to a stop before the driver of a sedan waited too long to slam on the brakes, rear-ending a pickup truck. Let's use this as another reminder to keep a safe stopping distance and keep your eyes on the road ahead. Kelly didn't stop, but she hopes the involved drivers weren't dangerously maimed. Ryan was driving his Model Y in Pearland when the driver of a Toyota Camry proceeded past a stop sign without checking for traffic. Immediately colliding with an approaching Honda Civic even after the Honda driver tried to avoid being struck. Ryan called 911 and reported the collision while the Honda driver exited his car. While the Toyota driver stayed inside his car while Ryan was there, he told us he could see him moving around and he didn't appear to be terribly incapacitated. Nathan was on his way to work one morning when a Hyundai driver tried to continue around a traffic circle instead of taking the exit, resulting in a collision with a Polestar. Behind Nathan, a Vauxhall driver hit the brakes, and they were promptly rear-ended by a Volkswagen driver who'd been following them too closely. Nathan told us he could see that nobody was majorly afflicted as they exchanged insurance information after the multiple vehicle collisions. CN was waiting for another driver to leave their parking spot when he suddenly heard a thud. He had no idea what had caused the sound until he found a shopping cart against the side of his Tesla. Another shopper had returned their cart in the laziest way possible, resulting in it rolling straight into the door of CN's Model Y. Thankfully, when he checked for damage, he wasn't able to find any before he returned the cart himself the right way. Marty and his wife were leaving a drive-thru when he noticed a new Model Y waiting to leave the parking lot. The driver of that Model Y revealed themselves to be a Tesla behaving badly when they used the parking lot entrance to skip around a line of drivers waiting patiently for their turn to exit. Marty told us he and his wife both shook their heads before he told her, "We've got another video for Wham Bam." Noel was driving his Model 3 behind a white van in Spain when the van suddenly came to an abrupt halt. When Noel stopped, the driver of the Volkswagen Golf behind him slammed on his brakes, barely avoiding a rear-end collision. If we examine the slow-motion replay closely, it looks like the two vehicles came within a hair's breadth of colliding. Thanks to Noel's quick thinking, nobody was savagely fractured. Noel told us he tapped the juice pedal after braking, which gave him just enough room to avoid being struck by the VW. Where did he learn this trick, you might ask? He told us he learned it from watching Wham Bam Teslacam. Micah was driving down a highway in Orlando when a line of traffic ahead came to a stop. Micah had left plenty of space ahead so he could safely stop without leaving his lane, but the driver behind him hadn't done the same and they rear-ended his Tesla. Police responded to the scene, and after watching Micah's Teslacam footage, they found the other driver fully responsible. The two drivers exchanged insurance information before leaving, and thankfully, neither one was grievously battered. This subscriber was driving in Georgia when his Model Y became the Tesla filling in a vehicle sandwich. When the driver of the Cadillac ahead of him suddenly realized traffic was slowing down and slammed on the brakes, our subscriber had to abruptly decelerate as well. The driver of the Toyota behind him wasn't paying attention and rear-ended his Tesla, shoving it into the back of the Cadillac. Firefighters responded to the scene, but thankfully nobody was severely damaged. Jeff parked his Model Y in a paid parking lot before heading out to enjoy the evening, but he wasn't expecting to find his Tesla ransacked when he returned. The first thing he noticed was shattered glass on the ground and his rear seats lowered, and that's when he discovered the rear window on the driver's side had been broken and removed. When he opened his trunk, he discovered that his backpack and gym bag had both been stolen. He immediately checked his Sentry mode footage to see if the thief had been caught on camera. Sure enough, he watched as a stranger parked their vehicle in front of his Tesla, then looked inside using a flashlight before smashing the window and snatching the two bags. Alan's wife had left her 6-month-old Model Y parked while shopping at a department store in Waco when it was struck by a Mercury Grand Marquis. After the collision, the Mercury driver left the scene without making any attempt to contact the owner of the Tesla. Alan reported the incident, but the police weren't interested in making a hit-and-run report. Next, he contacted his own insurance provider, and they were able to send Alan the other driver's insurance policy information. When he sent them his Teslacam footage, they accepted liability. They're now paying over $1,800 to repair Alan's Model Y, which will take a week and a half. They're also paying for a rental car in the meantime. Something unpleasant happened when Jason stopped for some tacos after a trip from Palm Springs with his girlfriend. When the driver of a Mazda was attempting to park, they instead ran into Jason's Tesla. Sadly, he didn't notice the damage until he'd returned home. Once he did, he immediately checked his Sentry mode footage. Using this footage, he identified the responsible driver's license plate number and used it to make a report with the Pomona Police Department. They provided him with the driver's information, which Jason was able to use to make an insurance claim. The Mazda driver's insurance provider is now covering the $2,600 repair bill. Chris was riding in his Tesla with full self-driving enabled on his way to work one Wednesday afternoon when he noticed a motorcycle rider entering the highway on an on-ramp. After the biker passed Chris in the passing lane, the driver of a white SUV began crossing the highway in front of the motorcycle, and the biker had to swerve to avoid a collision. Thankfully, since the biker was paying attention, nobody was harshly debilitated. Jan was on his way home after taking his son Willem to a medical appointment when he noticed something moving in front of a sign on the side of the road up ahead. Thankfully, he managed to slow down in time to let the herd of red deer cross the road in front of them, so none of them were pitilessly mangled. He wanted to shout out his sons Willem and Noah, who always watch Wham Bam videos with him. Don't forget to hit the like button if you liked this Wham Bam video. And while you wait for a new one to come out next Sunday, why not check out one of these favorites? Hey, that one's good. Why haven't you watched it yet? We forgive you. Now go watch it. You won't regret it. Actually, you should regret that you haven't watched it yet. Don't worry, there's no such thing as too much Wham Bam.